A delectable dessert you won't get enough of. These Sprite Apple Dumplings are a unique sugary addition to the kitchen. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, then grease a baking casserole with cooking spray. With the peeled, cored, and sliced Granny Smith apples in a bowl, add the brown sugar and toss to combine. Into a crescent dinner roll, wrap each slice of apple. Place the wrapped apples into the greased baking casserole with the flat side down, then set aside. In a bowl, add the granulated sugar and brown sugar, then stir to combine. Spread the sugar mixture evenly over the dumplings. Next, carefully pour the butter over the dumplings. Pour a can of Sprite only around the edges of the casserole. Then, bake it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes until it turns golden brown. Serve warm with a drizzle of honey and enjoy! You can also try sprinkling some cinnamon or nutmeg over the dumplings to add more flavor.